Welcome, students. Today we are going to learn the story of teas, third passage, page number 20. Thus, the habit of drinking tea spread to Japan, Europe, and England, where it became a fashionable and popular drink among the people. How did this magical beverage get its name? The Chinese character T was first used in early inscriptions to describe tea, but later a new character cha was developed to refer specifically to tea. The word cha is now sometimes used in English to refer to China tea, and as well as we all know, it is very close to the Hindi word chai, which is used all over India to refer to tea. Chai means tea means in Marathi chaha. How did tea first come to India? This question is very important. In our country, how did tea first come? Historians think that tea had been known in India as a medicinal plant since ancient times, but tea was not drunk for pleasure until the British began to establish plantations in the 19th century. In the 1770s, the British East India Company made several unsuccessful attempts to grow tea in Bhutan and Assam with seeds from China. Although these attempts failed, the botanist Robert Bruce in 1823 discovered tea plants growing wild in the upper Brahmaputra Valley. In May 1838, the first Indian tea from Assam was sent to England for public sale. Since then, India has gone on to become one of the leading producers of tea in the world. Tea lovers, Chaha Premi, claim that tea may be able to reduce the risk of cancer, control blood pressure, fight viruses in our body, and actually help us live longer. It is very useful to our body. Our body produces chemicals called free radicals. They can damage our body and our health. Tea contains antioxidants called flavonoids. Scientists believe these help to protect our system against free radicals. For many people, tea is a popular drink to have with friends. In many countries around the world, tea drinking is an important social occasion. Japan, China, Russia, and Korea have special tea ceremonies and traditions. These ceremonies give people the time to relax and enjoy the taste and the smell of the tea. Most people in Japan belong to a tea club where they go every week to take part in the tea ceremony. Ordinary people also feel that tea ceremonies are spiritual occasions that are closely associated with their religion. Tea, they say, is a healthy, enjoyable, and stimulating drink. It is healthy, enjoyable, stimulating drink, full of good qualities. It has many good qualities. It reduces loneliness and calms your heart. It is a comfort in everyday life. Many Koreans today still have tea ceremonies for important occasions, including special birthdays and anniversaries. In most areas of China, the tea is made in small clay teapots. At tea ceremonies, cups are only half filled. The Chinese believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. In Russia, tea is made and served in samoras, a special Russian tea kettle made of metal. Vietnam produces special varieties of tea which as lotus tea and jasmine tea. Name of the tea: lotus tea, jasmine tea. In Japan, tea is made using powdered green tea called matcha. The tea is mixed with boiled water using a bamboo whisk and served in small bowls. And how about India? A cup of tea is offered to any guest, any visitor, as a token of hospitality. Even in the humblest of homes, most Indians like their tea hot with a good deal of milk and sugar in it. In the rainy season, it is brewed with ginger to give it additional medicinal properties. Others add spices like cardamom, cloves, or mace to add to its taste and flavor. Tea is a must after a plate of spicy snacks, especially in the morning and evenings. Some connoisseurs release delicately flavored jasmine tea, green tea, lemon tea, and even iced tea. There are different names related flowers: jasmine, green tea, lemon, iced. How about you? What is your experience about tea taste? Now we are going to see passage third, thus the habit to system against free radicals. Question number A1. You know about it. Simple factual activity. For example, true false. Write whether the following statements are true or false. First, tea became a fashionable and popular drink in Europe. It's true. Our body produces chemicals called free radicals. It is also true. Question number second, complex factual. Complete the web. How India become the leading producers of tea. British East India Company made unsuccessful attempt to grow tea from 1770. Second, Robert Bruce in 1823 discovered plants grow well in upper Brahmaputra valley. Number 3, in May 1838, Indian tea from Assam was sent to England for public sale. India went on to become one of the leading producers of tea in the world. Question number 3, vocabulary based question. Match the verbs in A with the related phrases words in B from the passage. For example, help. Fight, control, reduce. Reduce the risk of cancer, control blood pressure. Grammar question A4, related language study based activity. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. For example, character, century, Chinese, clothes. Century, character, Chinese, clothes, alphabetical order. Open-ended questions. What is the difference between claim and fact? Claim and fact, these are two different words. Main difference between them, the word claim is used to say that something is true although it has not been proved or approved by all people. Fact means reality. It is used to refer that particular situation, incident considered to be true and that it can be proved as real. Passage next, fourth passage. Simple factual, choose the correct alternatives and complete the following sentence. In China, tea is made in small dash teapots. Clay. Complex factual second. Third question, vocabulary related. For example, make smaller words using the letters in the given words. For example, friendship, friend, end, sheep, find, fright, etc. Grammar section activity मध्ये arrange the following words in correct order to frame sentence. Is tea cup of offered guest to? A cup of tea is offered to guests. Brewed ginger is tea with. Tea is brewed with ginger. And now page number 22, English workshop. There are some questions. List all the names of geographical places which are mentioned in the passage. You know, in the first passage, Darjeeling, Assam, Nilgiris. There are 3 regions Make smaller words using the letters in the given words. At least 4 or 5 words from each. Actually, act, all, friendship, and. Question number 3. From the passage, copy correctly any 3 sentences that begin with how. First question is that how and when did people first begin to drink tea? Another question is on page 20. How did this magical beverage get its name? Third, how did tea first come to India? There are 3 WH begin with how questions. Find the meaning of the following from Good Dictionary. There are 5 words: infusion, restorative, inscriptions, radicals, connoisseur. List the words related to agriculture and chemistry from the passage. Question number 6. Complete the following sentence with the help of the passage. Camellia sinensis is an evergreen plant that grows in tropical and subtropical climates. B. The teas we buy are usually classified according to their leaf size. C. In many countries around the world, tea drinking is an important social occasion. D. Our body produces chemicals called free radicals. Question number 7. Prepare a flow chart to show the growth and journey of tea from the plantation to our homes. Use information from the passages. Plantation. Next, dried leaves, cured leaves processed, packed, and then sold to us at to our homes. Then language study question. Compound word. From the passage, find all the words or pairs of words that begin with T. For examples, teapot, tea plants. Compound word means when 2 words come together to form new word. The new word is called the compound word. What words do you see in the following compounds? Evergreen. Ever and green. There are 2 different words. Blood pressure. Blood pressure. Every day. Every and day equal to every day. Note that some compounds are written as one word, teapot. Some with a hyphen between them. Hyphen संयोग चिन्ह. Tea hyphen making, and some as 2 separate words, tea club. टी मेकिंग 2 शब्दांच्या मध्ये टी अँड मेकिंगच्या हायपन चिन्ह आहे, संयोग चिन्ह आहे. आणि टी क्लब हा डिफरंट वर्ड्स असलेला शब्द. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाव Infinitive. An infinitive. Sometimes the form of a verb in a sentence names the action but does not change according to tense, number, or person. Such a form is known as a non finite form or an infinitive. Infinitive's another name is non finite form. An infinitive is used with or without to. With to or without to. For example, how did people first begin to drink tea? To begin. To drink. With to. Can you name the behavior is without to? Name. Infinitive. There are some sentences. Underline the infinitive in the following sentence. First, it was funny to read words that stood still. To read infinitive. To be or not to be, that is the question. To be or not to be. To be la underline करें. Number 3, can I read the book? Number 3, read without to. Number 4, they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Help and talk. There are two. Without two, infinitives. Okay, finish.